In this video, I'm going to be talking about writing equations in slope-intercept form. So remember, our slope-intercept form was y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. And all you need when you're writing the equation of a line is you need point and you need the slope. Okay, so I need to write the equation of a line that passes through 2, negative 3 with the slope of 1/2. So we have y equals mx plus b. So I have here, that's my point, that's my x and my y. I have my slope, which is the m, which is 1/2. So I start now filling in. So I have my y is negative 3. My m is 1/2. My x is 2. And then I fill in the rest and solve for b. So now it's a matter of simplifying. So now I take this and I say negative 3 equals 1/2 times 2. That cancels to be 1 plus b. I subtract the 1 over. It is okay if you need to show me that so that you don't make a mistake. So now it's just a matter of filling in. Y equals mx plus b. Okay, take away your m, because we know the m, in this case, is 1/2. We know the b, down here, was negative 4. So I take and I erase my b, and I add in a negative 4. So now we have our equation of our line. Write the equation of the line that passes through those 2 points, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 2, 8. Okay, so remember what I told you at the beginning. We need slope and we need a point. So our slope, remember, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now it doesn't start which y or x we start with. I'm going to call this x1, this one y1, x2, y2. Okay, so negative 8 minus a negative 4 all over negative 2 minus a negative 3. So I have a negative 4 over a 1. So my slope is negative 4. Now pick a point. It doesn't matter which point you pick. It works for both points. So then I have my point. I'm going to call my point. I'll pick the first one. And then we plug into y equals mx plus b. So my point is negative 4 for my y-coordinate. My slope is a negative 4 for the m. My x-coordinate is a negative 3 plus b. And now I solve. So I have my line, y equals m. Our slope was negative 4, x plus b. Now something you want to keep in mind of, a very, very common mistake that I find, is that students want to put in one of these points for the x's and the y's in my final equation. Almost every equation we write, we're going to have an x and a y in it. So you don't put in those points for x and y, because those x's and y's, there's a multiple points that could be those x's and y's on our equation. Okay, another one like this. So I have to find my slope. 4 minus a negative 2 over 3 minus 6. And I don't know why I'm struggling dividing that. I don't know why I had to do that in my calculator. Okay, and then we need a point. I'm going to pick my point in that color green. I'll pick this, now I'll pick that one. Again, it doesn't matter which point I pick. So, now plug into our equation. Y equals mx plus b. Your x's and your y's are right here. So I have a negative 2 equals, my slope is a negative 2. My x-coordinate from the point that I picked is 6. So now I have negative 2 is equal to negative 12 plus b. I add that to both sides. We get 10. Y equals, my slope is a negative 2x plus 10. Okay, let's read through that example, so you might want to pause the video, read through it. I'm going to read it right now. During 1 year, Malik's cost of self-service regular gasoline was $3.20 on the 1st of June and $3.42 on the 1st of July. Write a linear equation to predict Malik's cost of gasoline on the 1st of any month during the year, using 1 to represent January. Okay, so let's think about what they've given us here. They've given us $320 on the 1st of June. They've given us a point there. What they've given us, and I'll write out what the words are, is the time and then our gas price. So the 1st of June, that's the 6th month. How did I know that was 6? Because we use 1 to represent January, so June is 6th. And that is $3.20. Then they've also given me another point. 342, 1st of July. July is the 7th month. It was 342. Now, I'm recording this in June of 2022, where our gas prices are over double this. Okay, they're about double of each one of these. So it's interesting, it'll be interesting in future years of what the gas prices have gone and where we are at when future students watch this video. Okay, remember to write the equation of the line. We do slope. Okay, so y2, 3.42 minus 320 over 7 minus 6. The denominator's easy. I'm going to use my calculator for the numerator, just so I don't make a mistake. And I want it to be as exact as possible, and that wasn't too many decimal places, so I'm going to give myself all those decimal places. So that's my slope. What I need to do now is I need to pick a point. I'm going to pick the 6th one just because it's smaller. So $3.20 equals my slope. My x-coordinate is 6. No, yes it is. Plus b. So now this is a matter of solving this. So I do that number times 6 in my calculator. I subtract 320 minus this answer. I get negative. So my equation of my line is that. Okay, that is my video on writing equations of lines.